Hey, what's good? I made a change to my runs, and that is namely, all my runs this week were on the road. This is a conscious effort kahit medyo maulan this week, medyo naipilit. Buti na lang nagawa ko ng hindi naaantala ng ulan. I think it's better training. I prefer it over the treadmill. Although I think may mga benefits din ng treadmill running na tinatamasa ko. Anyway, on to the runs. First run was 80 minutes target time at easy pace. Pero sinusobrahan ko ng ilang minutes para sumakto na ng 12 kilometers. Average heart rate is 133 BPM at an average pace of 650 per kilometer. I had to stop twice on this run para sumilong kasi biglang lumalakas yung ulan. Pero buti na lang saglit lang. Second run was the same, 80 minutes target time at easy pace. 12 kilometers at an average heart rate of 132 BPM, tapos average pace is 653 per kilometer. Kahit mukhang maulan, hindi yan natuloy and nagawa ko to ng tuloy-tuloy. I think I had to drink water once after an hour kasi parang nagutom ako bigla. Third run was on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day nga pala sa ating lahat. Holiday yan, syempre, so sa umaga ko ginawa. And this run was an interval run. I think 4x4 siya. 4 minutes hard, tapos 3 minutes easy, repeat 4 times. May mga specific paces na prescribed sa hard and sa easy, and the goal is to keep in pace. The easy was easy enough, but the hard was parang medyo madali pa din. Slower than my usual self-prescribed tempo pace, and of course slower than my interval pace. Pero according to my heart rate, umabot na din ako ng zone 4 dito. I did 7 kilometers at an average heart rate of 621 per kilometer, pero yung hard runs niyan mga 535 per kilometer. Saturday's run was another 80 minutes target time at easy pace. And as you can see, parang ito yung base easy run ko this week instead of 10Ks lang. 12 kilometers ulit, pero average pace is 705 per kilometer. Tapos average heart rate is 139 BPM and lampas-lampas na ako dito into zone 3. And nakakainis kasi nagbalik na naman yung 8 PM pa lang nakahiga na ako pero 11 na gising pa rin ako. Nakakagigil talaga. Yan talaga biggest hindrance ko sa training ko sa tingin ko eh. Kaya tumataas yung heart rate ko. Tapos magpapatuloy pa yan into Sunday where my scheduled run is 40 minutes na easy, tapos 30 minutes na fast, tapos 40 minutes ulit na easy with paces na dapat sundan. Tapos ang init pa kasi nga hindi ako makatulog kaya tanghali na ako nagising. Yan tuloy yung easy parts ko nasa zone 3 and zone 4 na. So, medyo nahirapan na ako dito sa run na to. Konti lang naman. I really think na ideally I would have better heart rate readings and performance. Kainis. Anyway, I did 17 kilometers. Wala namang problema sa pagsunod sa pace. Kaya pa naman. So, those are my runs this week. Total of 60 kilometers. My immediate goal now is to find a way to fix my sleeping patterns. I've been saying this for a while now but it's really easier said than done. Yun lang, video na yun.